afraid. I bring you good news that will cause great joy for all people. Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is the Messiah, the Lord. This will be exciting to you. You will find a baby wrapped in cloths and lying in a manger.
Before the children sing their next song, I'd like just to share a quick little story with you. When I started preparing with the kids for tonight, I asked them what was, to them, the most important part about Christmas. Figuring I knew the answer, and they proved me wrong, because each and every child said that the most important part of Christmas for them was being with their family. And it still chokes me up. But we started talking also about what they would give God for Christmas. So this is what they're going to give God for Christmas.
I'll give God me for Christmas. It's the best gift I can give. I'll give God me for Christmas, and for Him I will live. I'll give God me